Today we'll talk about how can you disable private account on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, you just click on privacy here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to private account, then you click in this sign or this color, then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on switch to public here. So here can you switch your account to public here, then it's going to disable with you like you see on your uh, Lemon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.